Hi boys and girls, this is week 3 of online learning, and today I am reporting from the Great Wall of China right here. Fun fact about the Great Wall of China is that it is about 70 million feet long, and David, Dean, and Derek all wanted to hear and see something about the Great Wall of China. If you have not filled out the weekly assignment checklist from last week, that is still open, that you can do that. So make sure you check that out and just tell me how many of each of the assignments or the amount of each of the assignments that you were able to complete. I have been able, because we've been using the Seesaw app this week, I have been able to see how much you have completed, and that's great. Early this week, I am planning on interviewing Judd, so stay tuned for that video. That will be coming out later on this week. I also, just for a fun thing for this week, you probably have been missing, maybe some of you have not, have been missing the Bible songs that we sing every morning. So our New Testament and Old Testament, and then our verse of the month song. So I did upload all of those videos to the website so that you can check them out and sing them with your parents and teach them to your family members. Your assignments for this week, we're going to continue with fractions. The assignment for today for math is a little bit different. Since we have actually finished our math chapter, we're just going to be taking this time to review for this week, just to review fractions, and then towards the end of the week, some multiplication activities. But for today, you have a choice of how you complete your assignment. So it's the same assignment, but you can either do it in a Google form, so that is just like your reading log that you complete every day, and the interview for Judd, and the weekly assignment checklist. Those are all different types of Google forms. So you can either do the math in the Google form version, and then I will automatically get your responses and your answers, or you can do, I understand some of you might not have access to a computer that you can take time to sit and do a project like that for a long period of time. So you could also do, I do have a PDF worksheet version, which is similar to all the other math assignments. So you can choose one or the other. It is the same exact assignment, Google form, or the PDF worksheet. So you can choose, you only have to do one. Again, read for 20 minutes and fill out the Google form for that. And spelling, this week is a review week for spelling. So it's the past 5 weeks that we've been working, past 5 units in spelling. It's just a review of them. So for today, a new assignment, again, you did do it in 2nd grade, is code words. So you'll have a code at the top of the page that you then need to draw the picture to correspond with the letter, and then on the next page or the next column, write the actual spelling word. So one side will be the picture or the different pictures that spell out the word, and the other side will be the letters that spell out your spelling word. For the weekly assignments, we decided to combine spelling or science and writing into one assignment because it kind of overlaps. We've been talking about habitats and ecosystems and animals in science. Unfortunately, just because of how we have to teach now, I know a lot of you were looking forward to making your habitat diorama at school, and you brought in all of those supplies, and you started thinking about your animal. So you can use that animal and write a 4-square. We've done 4 squares in 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade. So this time you're going to do it at home. And parents, I did kind of split up the assignments for the entire week, so you can do a little bit with your child each day. And for today, you're just working on your topic sentence. So think about your animal, your whole 4-square. Your detail sentences are going to be about what your animal eats, how they get water, and the shelter that they have. So those are what the detail sentences are going to be about. I do have an example 4-square that a previous teacher made, and then I have like how it's broken down by each day and what the students are required to do each day. So again, you have the entire week to work on it. By the end of the week, the students will have a completed paragraph assignment to turn in. I do not need to see anything until Friday. So I know it might be like one sentence today. You're also free to work ahead. If you're like, oh, I only did one sentence, but I have some extra time today, I would like to keep going, go ahead. It's by the end of the week, but I did break it down just so that you were not overwhelmed. But you do have all of the instructions on the website available for you. And then the Seesaw app, I was able to figure out how to get the Google Forms that I send out, so the reading log and the math. I figured out how to get that onto the Seesaw app, so that will be on the website, and then also the Seesaw app. Again, make sure you are taking pictures during this time at home to send them to me so I can upload them to the website, and then also to send to Miss C so she can put them in the yearbook. And don't forget to check out the special teachers' websites for the activities that they have planned for you this week. All right, have a great day.